Okay, Flick, on his own now. Get him off. Time to say goodbye. Do not go. Run! It's a video of A Bug's Life, 1998, The Bird Scene, VHS capture. Tweet, 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 tweet! It's the bird. Tweet, 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 tweet! This way. A bird! It was Dot. The sparrow bird. Dot had no choice. Gonna let go. The Dot fell. Francis, look up. I gotcha, I gotcha! Ow! Ow! The bird goes to the gorge. Princess Ada, get the telescope. They're in trouble. Flick got an idea. I got a telescope. Wake up! Wake up! The bird pecking for the gorge. Help! Help! It was Heimlich. Auto pitcher. He's a slim for his head. The bird get over Heimlich. All right, let's go. There they are. Help! Use it as a web net. Woohoo! Bye bye, birdie. I'm stuck. Swim, swim, swim! Oh, great! Gypsy, stopping a bird. Slim will get hammock down. Meanwhile, Francis hurt his leg. The bird is down a gypsy. That's all dim from the trapeze ant. A bird is a bird! Hey, look out for the wall. Up, 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 up! Look out! Ouch. The bird fly away.